Hello, this is my first video of my 5 technology tools. I chose to pick Prezi. Prezi I see as being a way to present in many different ways. Um, my audience is probably majority is the students, but I think it can be very valuable for the teachers also to use it. Um, the there are many different options that can be used to do presentations. Students could use it to create slides, charts, projects, presentations, reports, posters, create banner, book reports. A teacher could use it to record a lesson so students could watch it later or over again. An infographic, just to record a simple message. Um, Teachers could use it to create a lesson plan. As you can see, there are all different types of ways that you can use this. I think this would give the students the opportunity to share in a way that they feel comfortable and make it more their own. Uh, let's say their assignment was to create a presentation on in an endangered animal, and you gave them the opportunity to make that presentation in any form that they wanted by using Prezi, and they have a lot of different options. There are some pre-made uh, options also that other people have used or have created, and you can go and use them. There are designs, reusable designs that can be used, such as this one, Happy Holidays. Um, it gives you all different types, but that other people have created that you can use as a template. Storyboards. Kids love to do storyboards. Hand-picked presentations, many different options. We have, of course, video. You can import PowerPoint, which is a fun way to do. Prezi designs, there's all different. You can explore design gallery, which means you can basically create your own pictures. Depending on what I am not an artist, but kids are much better at that than I'm sure I am. So there are many different ways to show um, presentations, and I think kids would have a lot of fun making their own presentations. And I think Prezi is worth the time to get to know it better. I by far do not know as much as I would like to know about it. So thank you for watching.